How to increase volume on Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, the process is very easy and simple. However, let me show you what you should not do to increase the volume. Now, as you can see, if you went to Play Store and search for volume booster, you will see that there are a lot of apps that claim um, to increase and boost your Android phone volume. But honestly, I don't think that they make such big of a difference. It's like uh, unrecognizable. So what you should do instead, and this is probably the only way to do so, is to go ahead and open up your settings, and once you're there, click on sound and vibration, then click on volume, which is this option right here. Once you do that and you are on this page, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on media volume limit, and here what you need to do is you will see this option at the top and it's off. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and as you can see, as soon as you do that, the custom volume limit option will be available to be custom. So you will be able to custom the volume limit as per your need, depending on what you want. So for example, make it here, and by doing this, the limit volume will be increased, and this will boost your Android phone volume and it will increase it. Now you can, as you can see, custom this depending on which degree you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can increase and boost your Android phone volume. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.